Get back. Back. Come on. Get up. Good girl. Right here. Zion, here.
Calves get branded, dehorned, vaccinated. Everyone gets an ear notch. Bull calves get banded, castrated. These catcher pads are a lifesaver when you're pushing calves in.
A good idea from my nephews and brother.
Ready for business.
Here's our calf branding setup. We use a calf table, and behind that a calf box. Back here is a small triangular pen. This will hold about 15 calves. After sorting the calves off of the cows, they go to this large pen. These two gates are used to push the calves into the triangular pen. Having this gate low to the ground and covered in sheet metal keeps the calves from sticking their head underneath the gate or through it. The wing gate on the left helps guide calves into the calf box. The calf box has two sliding doors. These doors can be operated from the outside as well. The calf table and box are anchored to a concrete slab. No weebles, no wobbles, nice and solid. Catch the calf's head, squeeze, and flip. A safe and easy way to brand calves. This is my grandpa's old calf table and his calf box. New one's about the exact same design. He got this in 1955. My dad was about 8 years old, 8 or 9. That's a pretty good run. We used this thing all the way up till 2022. Still good. This headrest was a modification of my grandpa's. It really helps. My brother put one on our new table. Happy branding days.